welcome, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna solve a problem about our Raspberry Pi 4B or any Raspberry Pi. So today the problem of Raspberry Pi will be solved, and this is very important because of this problem our performance has been affected, right? Our performance has been affected because of this problem, and I'm talking about the low voltage problem in Raspberry Pi. So as you see guys, I have got this Raspberry Pi kit from PiBox India, right? I got this Raspberry Pi kit from PiBox India, right? I bought this Raspberry Pi kit for my Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi and everything was good until I really tested it out. When I tested it out, I saw the voltage sign and saw the issue, low voltage issue. And you are here in this video because you are facing the same issue. How can you solve it? Over here, this kit, this PiBox India kit, and this video is also a kind of review type for PiBox India's kits, right? So this PiBox India kit, Raspberry Pi kit, has given me this Pi that is alright, but this freaking charger. So now over here, this charger is a 5-volt charger, and the Raspberry Pi needs 5 volts to basically run perfectly, right? So over here, this charger is 5 volts. So it seems right that this charger is okay, but no, it isn't, because the USB cable basically when our power travels through the USB cable, then what happens, a little bit of voltage reduces. So only 4.8 watts reaches Raspberry Pi, right? So only 4.5 watts, 4.8 watts reaches our Raspberry Pi. And now this is a serious issue because this charger is not now working, that officially this kit from PiBox India gave me, and I complained about it also, but they didn't do anything till now, but that's fine. Over here, to solve this issue, I have I'm going to order this, but if PiBox India doesn't do anything, okay, so I'm gonna order it only. But this issue over here can be solved through the official Raspberry Pi charger, by buying the official Raspberry Pi charger. This issue can be solved. Instead of using this charger or any other charger you got from your Pi kit, you can buy an official charger that is about 800 bucks. So let me just show it to you over here. Raspberry Pi 4 charger. So if I write this, you'll see this charger over here, guys. This charger over here is the solution to all your problems. This charger over here will solve your problem that I'm also going to order if PiBox India doesn't do anything, right? This charger is the solution to your problem, right? And all the 5 watts will be supplied to Raspberry Pi through this charger, and there will be no performance issues, and there will be no warnings and all, and it will just work perfectly fine. Oh, the scene. Sorry. So this charger over here, I didn't know the scene was the other one. This charger over here will solve your problem. It is like 789 rupees on Amazon, right? Just like 10 bucks, 10 US dollars, right? About 10 US dollars. And yeah, for $10 you will get this charger, and this will solve your problem. over here, right? So this was the solution to the low voltage issue. PiBox India, this is a review for you also. So this is a review for PiBox India also. Please send the official charger, right? This is a wonderful kit, right? But the official charger was really not in there, and this charger was there. That I don't know what PiBox India thought of sending it to me, but they sent me this, though this is not the official one, and we need an official one for our Pis to work, right? And this Raspberry Pi problem is now solved, right? Just buy that a charger that is like for $10, and 800 rupees, and it will solve all your problems. So thank you guys. If you like the solution, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.